Please don't tell me you still buying store-bought hot chocolate. Let your boy help you out. We got homemade hot chocolate with a white chocolate marshmallow toppings. Let's get to it, y'all. It's JB Sutton Hands. All right, we starting right on the stove, y'all. I got about 8 ounces of chocolate. Using a double boiler method to melt this. Super simple recipe, but I like using double boiler method. It's easy for me, other than opening and closing the microwave. But if you like the microwave, you can use that to melt your chocolate. So while I got that going, I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of milk. Pot should be already a little hot. So the milk, along with that heavy cream, will make the hot chocolate very creamy. And then I'm gonna add 1 1/3 cups heavy whipping cream. So now we're gonna add 1/8 cup of cocoa powder, and then I'm using 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So you can see our milk starting to steam. Just gonna break this stuff down real good. I got that mixed. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So our chocolate is ready. Make sure you grab a towel, and we're gonna pour this right in here. So I'm using semi-sweet chocolate. I can't do the dark chocolate, a little bit too bitter for me. We're gonna put this right in here. See, homemade versus store-bought, you get that deep chocolate flavor, especially depending on what type of chocolate you use. Just gonna spin this around about 2 minutes. You don't wanna overheat this and burn your milk, but so this the part I'm most excited about. I made some homemade marshmallows. This is white chocolate marshmallows. Just take a look at this dark, rich color of that chocolate, y'all. You know it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna take a glass, powder sugar this. Uh-oh. That's why we didn't fill it to the top. Take us a little blowtorch. Get us the taste. That's delicious. Try to bite some of that. Where'd you get that to try, y'all? Sorry about that. White chocolate marshmallows, homemade hot chocolate. JB Sutton Hands. Let me know if you think coming, y'all. Appreciate you for watching.